everyone, welcome back to my channel Honeybee's Educational Channel. So today we are again here with a super duper activity which is going to give a very good exercise for the muscles of your children. Okay, so actually we are here with the gripping activities today, which are very essential for the children for everyday functional activities, right? Because by using these muscles, actually we do a lot of things in our life, and it will enhance, it will improve handwriting of your children as well. Okay, so we are here with few of the objects. Majorly these objects are easily available at our home, because when we have little kids at home, definitely we keep Play-Doh, we have balls at home, we have pencils, we have rubber bands, so we have cloth, we have ball to just do a lot of activities. So I'm going to show you that which activities we have brought for you today. So my first activity would be the very simple activity, which is Play-Doh. As you know that a lot of children play with this, and people usually call it clay also. So she is going to show you that how to use it, how your children can use it, and how it will help in developing these muscles of the children. These are basically the fine motor activities. So you can simply give a Play-Doh to your child by squeezing, pinching, just rolling. It will help in strengthening these muscles of the hand. This will definitely improve the handwriting of your child. You can give a roller which comes with the Play-Doh only. So this way, this activity can be conducted, like your children can make a lot of things with this by using the clay. You can ask them simply, the one who is starting just the alphabets or numbers, you can just tell them, please make letter A with this. You can ask them to make a standing line, you can ask them to make a sleeping line, you can ask them to make a ball, just roll it. So this is a good activity. This is activity number 1. Let's jump to the second activity. Excuse me, we are jumping to the second activity now. She is happy with this Play-Doh, and children really love to play with it. They will not stop it, I am telling you. And this is very, very beneficial. Don't hesitate. Don't just give a second thought of for purchasing this for your child. Go ahead, please purchase it and let them play. Okay, the next activity is very simple. You can take any pen or pencil, and you can just ask your child, you can give them small rubber bands which we use for tying our hair also, right? So you can just tell them to wrap it on the pencil, just like this. You can ask them to wrap as many as possible. And children will love these activities, I'm telling you. And this is going to give a good, great benefit to your child also. You can see like this, your child can just wrap it on the pencil or pen. So this is also very, very essential activity. Now the third activity, very simple. This the tablecloth clip, we use it for hanging the clothes, right? So you can just give this peg to your child, and your child, you can give small balls, cotton balls, if you have pom-poms at home, if you have buttons, if you have some anything which can be picked with this. You can make balls of Play-Doh also, and you can just tell your child to pick all the balls and keep it somewhere else. So this is also a very good activity for gripping, because when the child will use this peg, this cloth clip, it will strengthen the muscles of the fingers, right, of the hand. So this is also a good gripping activity which is going to benefit your child. Let's come to the fourth activity, this squishy ball. You can just ask your child to just keep on doing like this with the ball, and this is also going to give a good benefit for the muscles of the hand. And these are the stress reliever balls also, as we know that these days children are also getting a lot of stress. So this will definitely help your child in relieving stress also. Whenever your child is sitting free, idle, watching TV or something, you can just give a ball and child will keep on playing with the ball like this. And this is going to relieve the stress of your child also, as well as a good exercise for hand, right? So let's come to the next activity, which is related to one kind of blocks, some toys like this. These are the blocks which your child will fix and pull it out also. You can see, and this also, like, children really love it, and this is a very good activity for the children because it is a good exercise also. They will fix it, they will remove it, they will fix it, remove it, make something out of it. It will enhance the creativity of your child also, as well as a good tool. See what she has made. She just made a kind of a seesaw thing which children really enjoy. So these are the really good blocks which children would love it. Children will fix it like this and make something out of it. You can see she's so excited. She's not letting me to show you also because these are her favorite, and these are many. Like in one packet around, I think 150 to 200 blocks come, and children really love it, love to play with it. Yeah. So let's move to next activity. Okay. Simple, very, very simple. Old newspaper, rough papers, waste papers, you can give it to your children. They will just tear it. Paste it somewhere also. Tearing, pasting is a very good activity. As well as you can give your child waste papers. They will just tear it, crumble it and make a ball. Will make balls out of it. You can see like this. They will just take a paper after tearing it and will just roll it to a ball. Will make small balls like this, and after when they will make these kind of balls, you can ask them to just pick these with this cloth clip, and they will keep it somewhere. So this was also a very good activity which will strengthen the muscles of hands and fingers of your child. Okay, so let's move to the next activity, which is again very, very essential, but you might feel that they will spill water here and there. You have to take some water in a ball, and you just need to give one hanky or any cloth to your child. Ask them to squeeze it. Just give little water and keep it somewhere where you think that it will not spill here and there, or it will not spoil your things. So your child will squeeze the cloth like this. So this is also a very good activity. It will strengthen the muscles of your child's hand. This is going to be lifelong beneficial for your child. And last but not the least, very fastly, we're going to show you one more activity, a tug of war activity. You can give rope or cloth like this. They will play tug of war. This will also strengthen the muscles. So these are some gripping activities which you should not miss. Your children should really do these activities and they will definitely enjoy, I assure you. And keep watching my channel for some more interesting activities and knowledge. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.